In this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem in easy steps. So let's get started through the video. Hi everybody. So if you want to fix this problem, first thing you gotta do is do the Windows logo plus R, or you can come here to this Windows logo, the start menu, Windows logo, and you click right here, run. After you click run, you type services dot msc and you enter. After you enter, you'll get here. So when you get here, tap of anything, any one of these, and type S. After that, you come and scroll down. If you can't see this, and if you scroll down until you find this one, SysMain. When you get to this option, you right click on it and click stop, and after you go to properties and startup type, and you click disable and apply. Okay. So after you do that, next one you do is do the same thing, Windows logo plus R. After you do Windows logo plus R, you do sysdm dot, you do that, and after you click OK. So after, when you get here, you'll see hardware, advanced, system protection, or remote. You skip all of these except for advanced. You click on advanced and you see all of these settings. You go on top, which is performance settings, and you click on settings. And when you get here, you'll find a lot of options. Mostly is going to be your laptop on this. Let Windows choose what's best for my computer. You skip all of these and you do adjust for best performance and click apply. It will take some time, and click OK. So after you do that, next thing you do is right click on the taskbar and click on Task Manager. And when you do so, you see all that's the Task Manager. You come right on Startup Tabs. If you can see, you can click this and you can see the name, Startup Tabs. And over here, disable anything that you don't want, like apps that you don't want them to start. Like every time you start up your laptop, some apps are open automatically. So in here you can disable them, or you can enable them. So like if I want to disable this one, I could go right click on it and click disable. And also careful, because some apps you need them, like the microphone, so you're gonna have to open it manually if you disable it. So after you finish your work from here, you leave. Next thing you do is go to Fire Explorer, which is I have it right here. So when you come to Fire Explorer, you click on this PC, and over here you check if you have more than 60 gigabyte space. So like for me, I have 772 gigabyte free space out of 930, which is almost 1 terabyte. But if you have, your laptop might be lagging or the CPU high because you have less than 60 gigabyte space. So you also gotta clean up the files that you don't need. So after you leave, and then you go to the next one is go to the search bar and type check for updates. Check for updates. After you get here, you click open. It will open the settings, and you're gonna get to this page right here. This page is like checking for updates. Sometimes your laptop might have trouble because it didn't update. So after you do everything, you click here, check for updates, and it will automatically check it, and you can update your laptop. So you can do that after you leave. Next thing you do is choose a power plan. So you go to the search bar, and click power plan type, and over here you're gonna see edit power plan or choose a power plan. The one that I want you to do is choose a power plan. It opened me too many times, sorry. So when you get here, choose a power plan or customize a power plan. You're gonna go over like on the left side and click create a new power plan, and you're gonna want it to do balanced or high performance. You can choose it. I'm gonna do high performance. You don't have to follow it, but make sure it's on balance or high performance. So after you do that, leave. Now you're gonna clean your temporary files. So to do so, you're gonna do the Windows logo plus R, or you're gonna come here, same thing as I told you, and you're gonna come here and type clean mgr and type and enter. Okay, so you're gonna get here. So to freeze the space that you have, you can come right here and clear all of your temporary files. So like the files that you don't need. So you can select these ones. Don't worry if you select them, they're files that your system does not want. And you can click the button. So after you do it, so the next thing you're gonna do is clean temporary files. So the way to do that is you do the same thing, Windows logo plus R, and you'll see this run tab, and next thing you're gonna type temp. So you will get here to the temporary files. In here, like the temporary files, you do like files that are temporary. So you do Control A, which is select all of them, and after you do Shift plus delete. So you delete them even from the recycle. So after you get here, you're gonna you'll see the files, and you're just gonna do this for all current files and click skip. And I can just close this tab. So after you do all of that and clean the temporary files, you're gonna do the same thing. So Windows logo plus R, and you're gonna do the percentage sign temp, and you do close it with another percentage sign, and you click OK. So you could get, so after you do so, you're gonna do the same thing, select all files and click Shift and delete. To delete temporary folders that you don't need. So when it's gonna show you, are you want to delete these files permanently, click yes. And do this. So if you did all of this step, I wish your laptop's problems fixed. So if this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe, and see you next one. Goodbye.